Hi everyone, Mr. Fame here. Welcome to your new club. This club is called the Challenge Club. So each week we're going to set you a challenge, and in the club what you need to try and do is keep beating your personal best. Okay? This week's challenge is called Around the World. Have a little think, what could that be? Whilst you're thinking, let's do our warm-up. The warm-up is called Stand Up, Sit Down. Alright? So when I say stand up, I don't want you to stand up, I want you to sit down. And when I say sit down, I don't want you to sit down, I want you to stand up. Okay? So those are two commands, stand up, sit down. Then we've got go. So what do you think go is? Go is stop. And if I say stop, stop is go. Have you got it? Okay, so it's all opposites. Okay? Well, I'm going to start with you just to get you used to how the game works. Then I'm going to stop playing and I'm just going to start calling out the commands, and let's see if we can call out those commands really, really quickly and if you can keep up and remember what all those commands mean. Okay? Right, so let's start moving. Do a little jog around your area and just remember those commands. I hope you've all had a fantastic week so far. Looking forward to everyone coming back to school. And stand up. Or stand up. Quickly sit down on the floor. Okay. And stand up. Stand up. Can't do it, can we? Sit down. Here we go. And off we go. Everything stop. And stop. There we go. Start moving. Do some skipping. Try and get those knees up nice and high. Some side steps again. Sit down. Go. And stop. Keep moving. This is our warm-up, get us ready for our club today. Any ideas what you think around the world is? What do you think it is? Are we going to be travelling around the world today? Sit down. Stop. Stop. Did I catch you out? Or are you still moving around? Sit down. Go. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Go. Stand up. Sit down. Go. Stop. Did I catch anybody out that time? Go a little bit faster. Forwards, backwards. Make sure you're looking behind you. Let's kick our heels up. Sit down. Go. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Go. Sit down. Go. Stand up. Ooh, okay. Do we understand the game? Okay, right, what we're going to do now, I'm going to make it a little bit trickier for you because I'm not going to show you what you should be doing. Okay, so I'm just going to stand here and I'm going to start calling out those commands. Okay, I might help you out a little bit, or maybe I won't. Let's have a look. Are you ready? Remember, you can pause that video at any time, get yourself a drink, and get back into the warm-up. Okay, ready? Go! Did anyone go? Go means stop. Stop! Now we can go. Off you go. Stop! Did you stop? Remember, stop means go, so you should carry on. Sit down! Stand up! Sit down! Stand up! Go! Stop! Sit down! Stop! Stop! Catching anyone out? Or are you too good? Go! Stand up! Sit down! Go! Stop! Good, keep going, keep moving. Fantastic. Go! Stop! Go! Stop! Go! Stop! Stop! Did you stop? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stand up! Sit down! Sit down! Stand up! Go! Sit down! Stand up! Go! Stop! Well done. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Think about those different movements that you can do. Go! Stop! Sit down! Stand up! Go, 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 go! Have you stopped? Keep going! Stop! Sit down! Stand up! Stand up! Sit down! Stop! Go! Sit down! Stand up! Okay, right, well done. That is your warm-up finished. How did you find it? Okay, right, get yourself a drink and get ready for the next part. Well done. That's your warm-up done. So let's get on with the challenge, shall we? So I've got 2 balls down here, around the world. What are we going to be doing around the world? What do we think? Okay, so I've got 2 different sized balls, okay? So if you've got a larger ball, this is going to be harder, okay? If you've got a smaller ball, it's going to be slightly easier, okay? Now if you haven't got a ball at all, don't worry, you can use a pair of socks, okay? Something that is quite easy to hold, okay? So it could even be a jumper stuffed around, okay? It could even be like a box, a cereal box, if it's like a small one, okay? Just something that you can hold, okay? What you need to try and do is initially put it around your head like this, and then around your waist, okay? So once you go around your head, around your waist, that is 1 rotation, okay? Around the head, around the waist, that's 1 rotation, okay? So we're going to practice that. So remember to pause the video, get whatever you need, whatever you think you're going to use to do this challenge, okay? Right, let's give it a go. So around your head, and then around your waist. Around your head, around your waist. And what we want to see is if you can keep control of the ball whilst moving the ball around your body, okay? So it's called around the world because it's moving around your body, just like this, okay? And remember, in any of the challenges, if you're finding something easy, then we need to find a way to make it harder, okay? So if you're finding this easy, what could you do to make it harder? So we said about the size of the balls, okay? So the bigger the ball, the harder it will be. Anything else? So we could try and go a little bit faster, like this. Okay? And if you're finding it a little bit too tricky, okay? Remember, we can use a different size ball. That's going to make it a little bit easier. Okay? And then you can just go slower. Okay? You can take your time. You can even let the ball go around and touch your body like this if you're finding it difficult. Okay? So there is different ways to do this challenge depending on how you're finding it. Okay? Right. So that's the challenge. Alright? That's the first part of the challenge. So what I want you to do now, as I said earlier, you're going to try and beat your personal best. Alright? So, I want you to get someone to time you, and we're going to do a 30-second timer. Okay? Once those 30 seconds are up, you see how many you managed to do. Okay? Right, so I'm going to use the bigger ball, and are you ready? So I'll do it with you. Okay, ready? And go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and that's my time up. So I managed to do 13. What did you manage to do? Fantastic. Now what I want us to do is to try and beat that time. So have 5 or 6 goes, and each time we want to see if you can beat your personal best. All right? Give it a go, and then come back and see what is the next part of the challenge. Okay, right, how did you find it? Did you manage to beat your personal best? Okay, right, so now we're going to move on to our next part of the challenge. So we've gone around our head and around our waist, okay? Now we're going to be going around the legs, all right? So you're going to start with one leg in front of the other like this, okay? And same thing, you're going to go around one leg like that. Then what I want you to do is to quickly jump to the other leg like this and then go around the other one, okay? Now that is 1, okay? So you have to go around each leg, and that counts as 1 rotation, okay? So if we're doing it quite quickly, it's going to look something like this. Like that, okay? Once again, if you're finding it tricky, make sure you use a different type of ball, okay? Maybe a smaller ball. And remember, you can go around your leg so the ball's touching your leg, and then quickly switch and then go around the other leg, okay? Remember, work at your level. If you're finding it easy, speed it up a bit. If you're finding it harder, do what I just did, okay? So, let's do another 30 seconds on our timer. Let's see how we do. Right, are we ready? And go. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, what's the time? 14, 15, 16, and that's my time up. Woo. Okay, I managed to do 16. What can you do? Remember, try and beat that personal best. If you're feeling a little bit tired, pause the video, get yourself a drink, and have, again, 5 or 6 goes, and try and beat your personal best. Get ready for the next part. Right, how did you find that? Okay, good. Right, last part of this challenge around the world, okay? What we're going to do now is we're going to combine the both challenges together, okay? So we're going to go around the head, around the waist, around the leg, both legs, and then that is 1, okay? Do you understand? So let me demonstrate again. So we're going to go around the head, around the waist, around the leg, switch, around the leg, and that is 1, okay? So I'll show you again a little bit faster. So here, 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 and here, that counts as 1. And again, we're going to try and beat our score, within the 30 seconds, okay? Are we ready? And let's go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, have I got time? Oh no, I went overtime. Okay, that was 38 seconds. So let's say I got 8. Okay, right, give it a go. Remember, 5 or 6 goes each, and see if you can beat your personal best. Okay? Good luck. Okay everyone, well done. That is your club finished for week 1. Get ready for next week for week 2, and it's going to be a completely different challenge. Okay? Good luck, have a great week. See you then.